Hey, good morning. Just got through a tough 15-minute kettlebell workout. Actually, it was 16 minutes today. And I just wanted to kind of direct your energy towards the things that actually work. So typically people are chasing all the wrong things. You know, they're looking for the secret sauce in their workout, looking for the secret sauce with their nutrition, rather than just understanding that, you know, you gotta strength train 3 to 5 times per week and otherwise remain active. It's the being brilliant at the basics with your nutrition, being in a caloric deficit, getting your weight, getting your grams of protein. Lastly, this is the thing. This is the most important thing when it comes to a healthy lifestyle change and making it stick. Is this morning I typically, I'm not the best sleeper in the world. So I got up at 2:30 this morning to just go to the bathroom quick. Oftentimes my brain turns on with me when that happens. But this morning I fell back asleep, sound asleep, and I normally don't ever wake up to an alarm. I wake up before the alarm goes off. I had my alarm set for 5:30 this morning, like I do most days because I work out at 6 a.m. And I was sound asleep. You know, when the alarm goes off and you wake up, whoa. And I think that's most people. They have good intentions before they go to bed. I'm going to wake up and I'm going to work out tomorrow morning. Until that moment, beep, beep, beep. You wake up, you look at that thing, you go, oh, no way. Boom, back to bed. And you've programmed yourself. You are so hardwired in that moment, to put it bluntly, quit. I quit today. Tomorrow, I quit today. And this is a lesson I talk about a lot with the kids that I coach just in high school, in the wrestling room, is quitting, and why it is so pivotal to override the emotions, because your emotions are liars. Oh, this is so hard. I should just quit. And the more you program yourself to press the quit button, it is hardwired into your mental circuitry to quit when things get hard. And it's not just the physical component. It transcends, like, that programming to quit when things are hard isn't just isolated to physically hard things. It's mentally hard things. It is whatever is perceived as hard in your life. If you've programmed it since you were 12 years old on up, this is hard, outside comfort zone, beep, 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 procrastinate, quit. That's the missing link. That's why so many people don't succeed. It's not because they're doing the wrong program. Could they be doing more efficient means? Sure. Is it because they're eating atrociously wrong all the time? Probably not. It's because they are so inconsistent and they quit and they quit and they quit and they quit. Because the freaking alarm clock goes off and they just can't rise to the occasion. Once you overcome that alarm clock moment, beep, 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 you wake up from your slumber and you reprogram yourself to go, it's time to go. Beep, beep. It's time to go. That's how you win the battle. There's no other way. That's how you win the battle.